Neumoterol is your partner in controlling asthma. Combining budesonide and formoterol in one simple-to-use dry powder inhaler. Step 1. Make sure your hands are clean. Remove the cover. Then hold the base. And twist the mouthpiece in the direction of the arrow to open it. Take one capsule from the bottle, place it inside the chamber. Only open the bottle right before use. Note that the capsule should not be swallowed, but instead, it must be put in its inhaler device. Step 2. Close the inhaler, then press both side buttons once to pierce the capsule. Let go. You're now ready to inhale. Step 3. Exhale to empty your lungs. Tilt your head slightly downward. Then seal your lips around the mouthpiece. Inhale quickly and deeply. You should hear a soft vibration as the medicine is released. Hold your breath while counting in your head to about 10 seconds. If you don't hear the vibration, the capsule may be stuck. Open the inhaler, reposition the capsule, and repeat. After use, discard the capsule and close the device. Wash your mouth with water and brush your teeth immediately after using the product. Once a week, clean the mouthpiece with a dry cloth. Never wash the device as moisture can affect the medicine. For every breath that matters, choose Neumoterol. Effective, affordable, easy to use.